Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize social media marketing with Hootsuite, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by signing up for a Hootsuite account if you haven't already. Visit the Hootsuite website and click on the sign up button. Choose a plan that suits your needs, starting with the free version if you're just beginning. Once registered, log into your Hootsuite dashboard. Connect your social media accounts by clicking on the My Profile icon. Select Manage Social Networks from the drop-down menu. Click on Add a Social Network and choose the platform you want to connect. Follow the prompts to authorize Hootsuite to access your social media accounts. After connecting, navigate to the Streams section on your dashboard. Create custom streams for each social media account to monitor interactions. Add streams for mentions, comments, messages, and scheduled posts. Utilize the Publisher tab to schedule your posts. Click on Create Post and select the social media accounts you want to post to. Write your content, add images, and include relevant hashtags. Select the date and time for your post to go live. Use the Auto Scheduler option for optimal posting times based on audience engagement. Next, analyze your performance by navigating to the Analytics tab. Connect your analytics to measure engagement, clicks, and reach. Regularly review your reports to understand what content performs best. Use insights from these reports to refine your social media strategy. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages directly from Hootsuite. Experiment with different content formats, like videos and polls, to boost engagement. Regularly update your social media profiles to keep your audience engaged. Finally, keep learning and stay updated with Hootsuite's resources for any new features or updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.